Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make Facebook account completely private. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad or any Android phone and you want to make your Facebook account completely private, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Facebook app. Very first I recommend you have to try to update your app to prevent any kind of issues. So once you update it, just simply open your Facebook app and here just tap on the menu option in the bottom right. So very first just go to your profile page by typing your profile, then tap on three dots under your profile here, select view ad, and here you can check how other people can find your profile. So here I have already some privacy settings, so my profile is looking like this. So you just have to simply go back to add some privacy settings. So just go to menu option, then tap on this settings and privacy, then tap on settings. Just scroll down and look for the audience and visibility section. So from here you can make your account private. So very first thing you just have to open your profile like locking settings and just select lock your profile option here. So here you can see only friends will be able to, or only your friends can see the photos, posts and stories on your profile. So just have an OK option and your profile is now locked. So no one on Facebook can see your posts, your photos, your stories, your videos on your profile without adding you as a friend. So simply go back from here. Now the second one is you have to select this how people can find you. And here you just have to select who can send you friend requests. Just select that option and you just have to try to minimize this. So I have already selected this the one which is friends of friends. So the friends of my friends can send me friend requests. 100 people cannot send me a friend request on Facebook. So you can also select this one, but I recommend you have to select this one to prevent or minimize your friend request. So now simply go back from here and then just select the second option who can see your friend list. Just select that option and using this feature you can hide your friends on Facebook. So here's I have already selected only me option. So we just have to select the only me option. Once you have selected, no one will be able to find or to see your friend list on Facebook. Either it's a your friend or it's not. So you just have to go back and here people with your email address. So who can Facebook suggest your profile to be based on your phone number or email address. So just select this option here and you just have to select no one and also no one for this section. So after doing that, go back from here and do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link your profile. So if you want to make your profile findable by outside search engine to Facebook, so you can enable this toggle, but I recommend you have to try to disable this one. Just scroll down and here you have some more settings, so you can manage them by minimize them. Just select don't receive friend request or the message request. So after doing that you have to simply go back and here select posts. Now in post section you can lock your profile. And once you allow your profile, your post setting already be minimized or private, so who can see your future posts. So select this option here or select only me. So after selecting this option no one will be able to see your post on Facebook. So here limit who can see your past post. So select this view option here. So you can limit your past posts. It's just happen limit past posts and then select limit past posts again. So your past post will be limited to be seen. So just go back and here just select this option which is active status, or you can disable this toggle to turn off your active status. Now once you have disabled, whenever you will be enable or active on Facebook, no one will be notified that you're enable or active. You will not there will not any green mark on your Facebook profile. So you just have to try to disable this. So after that there was the settings. So just go to menu option again and then tap on your profile option here to see your profile. Now tap on three dots under your profile option, then select view as, and now let's see again how people will find your profile. So anyone on Facebook will open your profile section. he will see this type of menu. So he will not be able to see your friends, your posts, your stories, or if you have disabled all the settings, so you will not be able to see this message option also. So your account is completely private now. So in this way you can easily make your Facebook account completely private. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.